So, hello, my lovely children. Very good morning. I hope everyone is doing good. Welcome back to yet another super interesting biology live session on the wonderful and beautiful platform of Avanti. So, this is lecture number 4, and the topic is principle of inheritance and variation, right? So, here is the video.
You are part of a diverse array of organisms that inhabit the biosphere on Earth. Bacteria, plants, animals, and you are all carbon and water-based cellular forms with complex organization and heritable genetic information. So, are you curious what makes you, you? Your genes make you, you. Genes make up the set of instructions that are given to you from your mother and your father. These instructions are in almost every cell of every living thing and are stored on extremely long strands of chemicals called DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and these long strands are called chromosomes. Chromosomes are made up of many genes. One gene is a specific sequence of DNA on a chromosome that provides particular cellular instruction. DNA is shaped like a ladder that's been twisted, which is called a double helix. The steps of the ladder are made of 4 main chemicals called bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. The particular order of A's, T's, G's, and C's is extremely important as it determines whether you are a banana, rhinoceros, or a human. It also determines whether you have brown hair, blue eyes, or green skin. The sides of the ladder are made of alternating sugar and phosphate molecules. The entire DNA sequence is called a genome, and in humans, 3.2 billion base pairs. This would take 9.5 years to read out loud without stopping. It would take someone typing at 10 words per minute for 8 hours a day, 50 years to type the entire human genome. If you unwrap your DNA from one cell, it would extend more than 6 feet long. If you unwrap all of the DNA in all of your cells, it would reach the moon 6,000 times. All 3 billion bases of your genome can take 3 gigabytes of computer storage space. Your entire DNA sequence would fill 200 New York City telephone directories. You are 99.9% identical to the person next to you. Only 0.1% of our genetic makeup differs. Less than 2% of your DNA carries recognizable instructions to make proteins. The rest is called junk DNA, as it does not currently appear to code for anything. It takes around 8 hours for one of your cells to completely copy its DNA sequence. You are you because of your genes. Now you know more about this microscopic entity that makes us all. You are part of a diverse array of organisms that inhabit the biosphere on Earth.
All right, so that is that. Anyone could make out? Anyone could make out what was the video and what was the audio? It was talking about what makes you you. So what is it that makes you you? That's the gene. Then it started to talk about that your DNA is having the ladder-like structure, which is arranged in a coiled form, right? And then it started to speak about the genome. It also gave you the number, total number of the genes present in the genome, right? And then it started to speak ki agar if you are extending the chromosomes, it would extend to 6 feet. The chromosomes which is there in your cell, in the nucleus of your cell, if you extend it, what would happen? It would take 6 feet, right? That it said. Then it said ki it requires a lot of memory, computer data to store all the information, right? It also said that you will require so many books to write those information. It also told us that to just read out all the genes, it would take so many days and days, right? So this is what it was speaking about, right? Then it also explained that 99.9% 99.9% we are similar. Our genes are similar. That 0.1% is differing in between you and me, and that 0.1% of the gene is making all the changes in all of us. Okay, so that is all about this video. Got it? Yes. Yes, Ashwin? Okay, we'll do that. On the lecture number 4, principle of inheritance and variation. Yes, Veer, I can see you. Yeah. Yes. All right. So I hope you all have had breakfast and your brain is here, right? Your brain is here, right here. Yes or no? Yes. Right? Okay. So let's begin. Can you recall what all things did we learn up to now? What all things we have learned up to now? Several terminologies we have seen, right? Yes. Anyone has any doubt in whatever we have learned up to yesterday's class? No, right? Recessive characters. You will get it clear, Pritish. Don't worry. We are going to talk about it so often in this chapter. So if there is any doubt remaining related to dominant and recessive, all of it will be clear. Okay? Now, video we have seen already. Come to this. I had asked you. Acha, Pritish, you had told the topic. ठीक है. I had asked you to find out what I have written here. What I have written over here? Can you see? Siblings. Yeah? Offsprings. And then twins. Can someone tell me the relation between or among these three with respect to time? With respect to time. To whom will you be calling as siblings? To whom will you be calling as offsprings? And to whom will you be calling as twins? Anyone has any idea? You can let me know. I will unmute you. With time you need to arrange. Sister, brother are siblings. Fathers, brothers are siblings. NCP symbol is drawn. Kya NCP matlab? What is the full form of that? Athar? Twins are, yes, Chetan, you have got it. Prakriti has got it. Awesome. Shushma has got it. Okay. All right. So see, you have your sister and brother, right? Elder brother, then younger brother, younger sister. So they all are siblings. Why? Because they are born at different times. They are born at different times. They are not born at the same time. Right? There is at least a gap of 1 year. There is at least a gap of 1 year in the siblings. Right? What about twins? Twins? To the twins, what happens? They are born just in the gap of minutes. There is no large gap of, few months or a year. Right? There will be some gap of, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, like that. So you can, roughly you can say that they are born at the same time. Right? You can say they are born at the same time. They are twins. Siblings, they should born at different time. But both of them, they are the offsprings. Right? Whether it is sibling or twins, they will be called as offsprings. Okay? Yes? Pranav, why can't twins be born at exactly the same time? The reason behind it is, at one time, you can take out one baby. If you take out both the babies, baby can get harmed. That's the reason why first they take out one baby and then the another baby. Yes, Pritish. Pritish is helping you. the pulling of the baby becomes difficult. Okay, so we are not here becoming the gynecologist. Okay, yes. So let's begin with what we have to learn in today's class. Few announcements I would like to make. First of all, how many of you have checked the question bank? I had asked you, right, that there will be a question bank uploaded in the boards section. Where to find it? Where to find it? There is this folder, right? Boards. So in the board section, you would find I have uploaded a Karnataka board question bank. So in that, what you need to do for now is 1 mark question you have to solve. Just see it. Just see it, whether you are in a position to answer it or not. And 5 marks questions. 1 marks and 5 marks. The moment you do 1 mark and 5 mark, automatically your 3 marks and 2 marks questions get covered. Right? Because in 5 marks, your 2 marks and 3 marks questions will get covered. So how are we going to utilize the time? By doing 1 mark question and 5 marks questions. You are free. Okay, one day, once the chapter is completed, one day we will be discussing only questions. You are free to ask any questions from the question bank 32 years and from this boards papers. Those who are CBSE students, you can, refer previous year CBSE questions and you can let me know if you are not able to solve any question. Okay? So in the boards part, you will have this. You need to do it. So just check you are in yes or no. If you are in no, please do check it out today. Yes, Atharu, MTG 32 years. Now coming to the homework part. I had given you few homeworks. Do you remember that? I had given you Mendel, followed by Punnett, followed by De Vries, Corin's, Treasure-Mark. What is their contribution and in which year they had done it? How many of you have done this? How many of you have done it? There was this homework day before yesterday. There was another homework, which was this. I had asked you to make the gametes, right? This capital A, capital B, and capital C, small c. I had asked you to make gametes out of it. How many of you have done it? See, I'm not going to come and beat you. I'm just making you realize how important it is to do. Okay, Atharu has done it. So I have got few homeworks. Basav Raj, he had sent the photo of the homework to me. Then Vadi is here. Even Vadi had sent the homework to me. So I could take one. Okay, just to show you if anyone has any doubt, like how to do it, what exactly I had asked you to do. This is Basan Gaura's homework. Okay, Basan Gaura, he had sent it to me. What was the homework? Scientist name I had given you. Then I had given you the year in which they discovered. And then what was their discovery? Okay, what was their discoveries? So scientist, this chapter starts with Mendel. Whatever I taught you up to now, they were the basics. And that will help you to learn this chapter easily. But from today onwards, Mendelism is starting. So this Mendelism, from here only the chapter starts. The actual chapter starts. So just check out the order. Mendel, for 7 years. He worked for 7 years and then discovered laws of inheritance. Laws of inheritance. Can you check out the year? 1856 to 1863. Come down. 1900, which is after that. 1900, which is, around the same time. 1902. After that. 1902 to 1903. After that. 1910. After that. 1911. After that. This is why this Table is very important because if you know this is only NCERT, completely ditto NCERT. If you know this, you can remember the story that first Mendel came. After Mendel, Punnett has helped us. Then three scientists, Rice, Correns and Teschermack. Then Sutton and Boveri. Then Sutton, then Morgan, and then Alfred Sturtevant. This chapter talks about them, their discoveries. That's what we are going to learn. I hope now you have the better idea. Anyway, I'll be sharing it in the notes today. Those who could not do it or have some problem in doing it, you can refer this. This is very, very important. ठीक है? हाँ, Atharv. Sutton, he worked with Boveri and he also worked independently. Okay? We will be learning it. यही तो सीखना है हमें. We have to learn only this in this chapter. Whatever they discovered, we have to learn it in detail. Got it? Yeah, now also Basavaraj is showing it, how he has made it. Wait, I'll just spotlight his video. You all can see, right? So this is how you can also make out some charts and you can stick it on the wall. ठीक है? Thank you, Basavaraj. So it is his homework, okay, which I am showing you now. All right, for CBSE, NCERT book. For CBSE, there is no book better than CBSE. Okay, Sakshi. So that's that. Now we can start with Mendel. हमारा पहला scientist, हमारे uncle जी, Mendel. We are gonna start with Mendel. Mendel, who is the father of genetics, right? Mendel, who is the father of genetics. Now, listen to the story so that you get it. Mendel, who is called as the father of genetics, right? Who worked from 1856 to 1863 for 7 years. 7 years. He worked for 7 years to find out the laws of inheritance. You know, first of all, Mendel, when he worked, he gave all the things to a scientist. You know who? Who? How did he die? Pranav, how did he die? ठीक है, we will speak about how he died, okay? I'm very bad at it, okay? I'm very bad at it in remembering the birth date and the death date. And that is why I never ask my students also to remember it because it is not required. ठीक है? Yes? So Mendel, you know, he went to meet Nageli. He went to meet Nageli. Listen to it. Mendel, he performed all his experiment. Then he went to meet Carl Nageli. Who? Carl Nageli. Wait, I'll write it so that you understand it. Carl Nageli. Carl Nageli. Okay. So he was very, you know, yes, Atharu, that's right. That's right. So he was very well known, very good scientist back then. So after doing the experiment, Mendel किसके पास गए? Mendel went to him, Carl Nageli. ठीक है? So when Carl Nageli, related to cell, Pranav, related to cell, ठीक है? He had discovered plasma membrane also, the term plasma membrane. Okay, come back. Listen to Mendel, what Mendel did. So he went to him and he showed his work to Nageli. He showed his work to Nageli. So what Nageli said, you know, that okay, very nice. You have performed the work on a pea plant. Which plant? Mendel had performed the work on pea plant. Which plant? Pea plant. So Carl Nageli, he said one simple thing to him. Can you show the same thing which you did on the pea plant on a different plant? I am giving you a different plant, hawkweed. Hawkweed. Hirartium, okay? Hirartium. Hirartium. So this plant he gave him, hawkweed, or Hirashim. All right. But you know what happened? Mendel could not perform the same experiment in hawkweed. He could not get the same result in this plant. So what happened? Carl Nageli said, okay, something you have done on pea plant, it worked. On pea plant it worked, but it is not working on the plant which I am saying you to do. Then I am not going to, believe on your work. So what happened? This was one reason why Mendel work was not recognized. This was one reason why Mendel work could not get recognized. First reason. Got it? He went to Nageli. Nageli asked him to show the same thing on the hawkweed. He could not get it. So that was the failure there. That is one reason why his work did not get recognized. Now coming to the next thing. What can be the other reasons of his work not getting recognized? What can be the other reasons? Reason number 2. Whatever he had done was much ahead of his time. During the year of 1856 and all, whatever he was imagining, whatever he was saying, कोई समझ नहीं पा रहा था उसकी बात को. No one was able to understand what this man is saying. Okay, so he was much ahead of his time, much ahead of his time. Right? Now, third reason is, he had used what? Lot of mathematics. He had used lot of mathematics and statistics. Lots of maths, statistics he had used. Okay? This was also one reason why people were not understanding what he is doing. People were not good at, so much of maths and all. Yes. And one more thing, that time, Darwin, people were following Darwin Baba, right? Darwin was there during that time. So people used to blindly believe Darwin. So it was the time of Darwin. So Darwin also became one problem because it was the time of Darwin. Got it? Now, next reason why he could not get recognized. Anyone knows some more reasons? Self-confidence. Self-confidence. What is it? There is a problem right in front of you. If you feel that you can't do it, you are not confident enough to do that, automatically you will not be able to do it. The same thing was there with Mendel. He himself was not very sure about his work. He himself was not very sure about his work. What he had discovered, he was not knowing. Okay? Yes, Atmavishwas ki kami thi. Yes. All right. So he himself was not sure. Himself was not sure about his work. Why? Because he could not get the result on hawkweed. So when he could get the result in pea plant, he could not get it in this. So obviously now he stepped back. That I am getting it in pea, but I am not getting it in this. So he lost some confidence there, right? And one more reason you can say, Pranav is answering that. What? Communication was so bad that time. He was saying, but it was not reaching out to people who were staying very far, right? So communication was very, very bad that time. Okay? So people staying in other countries, forget about that. People staying in the same country, they were also not knowing about his work. Okay? So communication, bad communication or lack of communication, proper communication. Lack of proper communication. Then what can be the other reasons? He could not prove it. there was no physical proof. He said, na, from P, something is going into the next generation, and he called it as factor. Mendel gave us the term factor. Mendel gave us the term factor, but there was no physical proof of the existence of factor. No physical proof. No physical proof. No physical proof of existence of factor. These are some reasons why. Adarsh, what is meant by Darwin? Darwin is the name of the scientist. Okay, so that time it was the time of Darwin. That is why people were not listening to Mendel. Okay? Yes? So these are the reasons why his work could not get recognized. Now Pranav is asking this, that ma'am, why he could not get the result in hawkweed? Reasons can be so many, you know. If you know why he could get the result in pea, why he was getting the result in pea plant, you know the answer for this question? If you know the answer for this question, you will get the answer for this. Why he could not get it on hawkweed. ठीक है? हाँ Shiv, there are so many things. Yes, Veerbhadra. He could not explain blending of gene, incomplete dominance, co-dominance. These all things are there. But if it asks you to write the major point, these are the major points. ठीक है? Obviously, it could not explain blending of genes. It could not explain co-dominance, incomplete dominance. I have not used this term before, na? You will get confused. That is why I am not using these things. Okay? So for now, you know that he worked from 1856 to 1863 for 7 years. And how many traits he had used? 7 contrasting traits. 7 years, how many traits he had used? Remember what I am saying. 7 years and 7 contrasting traits. You know, Pranav, he could not get this in hawkweed. Whatever reasons are there, to get the successful data in pea plant, that he could not get in hawkweed. Okay. Characteristics of pea plant were not there in the hawkweed. Thank you, Shreya. Yes. Understood. Pea plant, we will come to that. Why pea plant gave him successful result? That is also one small question. है ना कि why he chose pea plant? Why he chose pea plant? Right? So whatever he got in pea, he could not get in hawkweed. Got it? So how many traits? First question is understood. First concept is understood. For how many years he worked? 7 years. उसके बाद भी सब कचरा. कोई उसको रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर पाया. वो गए महान इंसान के पास, नागेली के पास. नागेली ने बोला बेटा इसको परफॉर्म करो हॉकवीड में. Then only I'm gonna accept what you are saying. He could not do it. Yes. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? There are so many other reasons. He used math, statistics. He himself was not very sure about his work. He could not explain the physical proof of the factor, right? It was the time of Darwin, right? He was much ahead of his time. People were not digesting things, right? Lack of communication was there. These are the reasons why his work could not get recognized. Got it? So this is one concept. Let's go for the next concept. That's not required. Just you know that he published his work in 1865 to 1866. If you want to know the publication name, that also I can tell you. The book was what? What was the book name? Or what was the chapter name? In a book, you have so many chapters, right? What was the chapter name? The chapter title was Experiment of Plant Hybridization. ये चैप्टर का नाम था, ठीक है। उन्होंने अपने बुक में इसको, इस चैप्टर को डाला, एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑफ प्लांट हाइब्रिडाइजेशन। ओके, तो उन्होंने अपना खुद का पब्लिकेशन करा था। गॉट इट? सो एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑफ, ऑब्वियसली ही वाज hybridizing plants, right? So what was the chapter name? Under which chapter he wrote about his work? The chapter was experiment of plant hybridization, right? So that is all about, you know, how his work could not get recognized. Now we are going to see what was the experiment material. Up to here, if there is any doubt, no, you can message me just after the class. ठीक है, just after the class you can stay back and you can let me know. That also can be done after 12 o'clock. Okay, now next is experiment material. बहुत पढ़ लिया हमने कि उसकी काम रिकॉग्नाइज क्यों नहीं हुई, right? Now let us see कि what exactly he had done. What was the experiment material? What was the experiment material? Which plant? First of all, it was a plant. Which plant? It was a pea plant. It was a pea plant. Can someone tell me? हाँ, इसका scientific name is, thank you, scientific name Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum. I am writing it with hand, no? I am writing it with hand, right? मेरे को बोलो इसको अंडरलाइन करना चाहिए. Should I underline it? Yes or no? जब भी हम साइंटिफिक नेम लिखते हैं, should we underline? हाँ, तो मैंने गलत लिखा है ना. I should underline it. ठीक है. प्रीतिश एकदम मस्त ऑब्वियो. अंग्रेजी. Yes, प्रकृति. 7 contrasting character यूज करते हैं, right? So can someone tell me the reasons behind using the pea plant? Reasons. क्या reasons हो सकते हैं, जल्दी बताओ. It was easy to cultivate. पहला तो एकदम इसको cultivate करना बहुत easy था. It was easy to, हाँ, slowly. So many messages I am getting. Easy to cultivate, right? इसका लाइफ स्पैन बहुत छोटा था. इट हैड शॉर्ट लाइफ स्पैन. शॉर्ट लाइफ स्पैन. पता है, नेचुरली इट कुड डू सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन. क्योंकि ये ऐसा वाला प्लांट है ना, मान लो ये पी प्लांट है, यहाँ पे आपका मेल फ्लावर होगा, यहाँ पे आपका फीमेल फ्लावर होगा. मतलब इन द सेम प्लांट you get what? Both male flower and female flower in the same plant. Yes, Prakriti, very good. Self pollination they do. And what kind of self pollination it is? Prakriti has answered. I want everyone else to answer. If from the male flower anther is falling on the stigma of the flower, what is it? Yes, Shreya has answered. Yeah, Pritish, that is autogamy, self pollination. But tell me now which type. Yes, Shreya. Other Shreya has also answered. It is geitonogamy. Is it not? It is geitonogamy. So it was able to do self-pollination. किसी की जरूरत नहीं थी. Self-pollination. And especially in self-pollination, which one? Geitonogamy. Geitonogamy. That's right. So naturally they do self-pollination by the process of geitonogamy. Okay. Now, fourth point, what you can say? Artificial hybridization can be done easily. You are writing so many points now. I am not writing your points, right? I will write your points. Don't worry. Artificial hybridization can be done easily. This was also one reason, है ना? Got it? and they had so many contrasting characters. They had so many contrasting characters. You know, they had some, anyone knows around how many contrasting characters they had? They had how many? He took 7. They had so many, around 34 contrasting characters. Contrasting character, what is the meaning of it? Like just opposite characters, opposite trait, like tall, dwarf, right? Yes, so like that, you have contrasting characters, just ulta. Okay, so they had so many contrasting characters, but he used how many? How many? How many? Only 7. He used 7 pair of contrasting traits. Contrasting traits, है ना? 7 pairs. 7 pairs of contrasting traits, or you can say 7 contrasting character. Just see na, are you understanding what I have written here? 7 contrasting character. Are they same or are they different? 7 pairs of contrasting trait and then 7 contrasting character. Are they same? If they are same, click on yes. If they are different, click on no. हाँ अन्वेश, that's right. हाँ, कैसे different है ये? कैसे different है? Those who are telling me it is different, कैसे? कैसे different है? एक character में कितने trait? एक contrasting character लेते हो. In one contrasting character, अभी तक हमने क्या सीखा? कितने trait? 2 traits सीखा है ना? तो मैंने जब character बोला तो 7 character बोला. When I said character, it is 7 contrasting character. Now when I am saying कितने trait होंगे 7 character में? How many trait will you be getting in the 7 character? 14 trait होंगे उसमें. एक character के पास 2 trait, तो मैंने लिख दिया यहाँ पे 7 pairs of contrasting trait. अभी किसी को गलत अगर लग रहा है ना, तो really you should come down to हुबली and मैं अच्छे से दूंगी आपको फिर. अभी भी समझ नहीं आया? यही तो सीख रहे हैं लास्ट 2 क्लासेस से, दैट एक कैरेक्टर में हम 2 ट्रेट को लेते हैं, 2 ट्रेट्स. तो 7 कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग ट्रेट ही चोज. अगर ट्रेट की बात करोगे तो 7 पेयर्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग ट्रेट्स. दे आर सेम माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, राइट? नाउ इन स्मॉल स्पैन ऑफ टाइम, इसका लाइफ साइकिल बहुत छोटा था ना, तो इसका एडवांटेज क्या था? It had very short lifespan. तो इसका एडवांटेज क्या था? What was the advantage? अगर लाइफ स्पैन छोटी हो तो what can be the advantage? इसके नए नए जनरेशन जल्दी जल्दी आएंगे कि नहीं? The new generation will come very fast. Yes or no? तो मेंडल ने जो काम 7 years में किया, मेंडल did the work in 7 years because the Pika plant was having short lifespan. अगर उसका लाइफ स्पैन 100 years तक होता, अगर उसका लाइफ स्पैन 100 years तक होता, तो मेंडल could have done this? No, right? He had, like, if the pea plant lifespan was of 100 years, then Mendel had to wait for 700 years, right? जिंदा ही नहीं होते वो, है ना? So this short lifespan, due to this, he could get more number of offsprings. He could get more number of offsprings, and उन्होंने बहुत सारा experiment किया. This is the reason why he could do more number of experiments, because of short lifespan, right? हाँ, yes, cool. Yes, Pranav. समझ आया? What are the reasons for choosing pea plant? They have so many contrasting characters. Short lifespan, due to that बहुत सारे offsprings आएंगे. So many offsprings in less amount of time. Easy to cultivate. Naturally they do self pollination, And if you want to do artificial hybridization, you want to put the pollen grain on the stigma, it can be easily done. Have many contrasting traits. He chose 7 pairs of contrasting traits. Got it? These are the reasons of choosing the pea plant. Cool? Now, who will tell me what were the characters and it was located on which chromosome? First of all, tell me it was located on which chromosome? Or first of all, tell me कितने chromosome होते हैं pea plant में? First of all, tell me pea plant is haploid or diploid? First of all, tell me pea plant is angiosperm or not? First of all, मेरे को ये आंसर चाहिए. Concept is clear or not? It is angiosperm or not? Obviously ना, उससे fruit मिल रहा है, उसके flower हैं, तो ये एक angiosperm है. Right? This is an angiosperm. Getting it? Now, angiosperm है तो flower होंगे, fruit होंगे, सब कुछ होगा. अब angiosperm है तो इसका nature diploid होगा. Sexual reproduction in flowering plant पढ़ा है ना, chapter number 2. It will be diploid. Diploid का मतलब 2n होगा. Diploid का मतलब 2n होगा. It will be 2n. Right? Yes. 2n. So, the seven character which Mendel chose, they were located on chromosome number. They were located on chromosome number 1, chromosome number 4, yes, Nare, chromosome number 5 and chromosome number 7. 1, 4, 5, 7. The character which he chose, they were located on which chromosomes? 1, 4, 5, 7. You know total number of chromosomes, how many do they have? They have 7 pairs of chromosomes. They have how many? 7 pairs of chromosomes. Matlab total number of chromosomes, they have 14. Got it? So pea plant की कुंडली पता चल गई. Pea plant is an angiosperm, diploid, 2n. How many chromosomes? 7 pairs. Total 14. Now the character which Mendel chose, where they were located? They were located on chromosome number 1, 4, 5, 7. They were located on chromosome number 1, 4, 5, 7. 14, 57. Okay? Yes. Now what were the characters? Just look at it. Like OTP number, हाँ 1457. That's right. ठीक है, जल्दी बताओ कौन से कैरेक्टर्स थे, जल्दी बताओ. पहले लो सीड को, टेक सीड. क्या लो? सीड को लो, टेक सीड. तो सीड में उन्होंने 2 चीजें देखी. मेंडल लुक्ड फॉर 2 थिंग्स इन सीड. क्या क्या चीजें थी वो जल्दी बताओ. शेप एंड कलर. सीड में ही लुक्ड फॉर 2 थिंग्स, शेप ऑफ द सीड एंड कलर ऑफ द सीड. समझे? सीड की कहानी खत्म. कम टू पॉड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड नो व्हाट इज पॉड. यू कैन सी ना, व्हाट इज दिस पॉड? द कवरिंग है ना. पी अंदर में पी होंगे, पी सीड्स होंगे, एंड यू ओपन द पॉड टू गेट द सीड्स, राइट? सो ये पॉड है आपका. सो पॉड में भी उन्होंने क्या देखा? 2 चीजें देखी, शेप एंड कलर. इजी. सीड लिया, पॉड लिया. सीड में 2 चीजें देखी, शेप एंड कलर. इन द पॉड ऑल्सो 2 things he looked for. What were they? Shape and color. Shape and color. समझ रहे हो ना? तो सीड एंड पॉड की कहानी खत्म. वी विल सी कि कौन सा डोमिनेंट था, कौन सा रिसेसिव था, वो हम देखेंगे. फर्स्ट 2 चीजें खत्म, 2 things, सीड एंड पॉड. नाउ कम टू फ्लावर. इन फ्लावर ऑल्सो ही लुक्ड फॉर 2 things, फ्लावर कलर and flower location. This time it is not shape. This time it is not shape. It is location of the flower. So flower color and flower location. Okay, how the flower is located. And then 2, 4, 6. Seed, pod, flower. That is done. एक और बचा. There is one remaining. वो क्या था? Height. वो क्या था? Height. Tall and dwarf. 7 हो गए ना? सीड ले लो, सीड की कवरिंग ले लो. सीड की कवरिंग इज द पॉड. दोनों में सेम चीजें थी, कलर एंड शेप. अब वो सीड एंड फ्रूट कहाँ से आ रहा है? फ्रॉम फ्लावर इट इज कमिंग, नो? सो ही ऑल्सो लुक्ड फॉर फ्लावर. फ्लावर में दो चीजें देखी, उसका पोजिशन कहाँ एंड व्हाट इज द कलर. दैट्स हियर नाउ. यहां तक आ गया दिमाग पर. अब यू कैन लुक एट कौन सा कैरेक्टर, कौन से ट्रेट, विच ट्रेट वेर डोमिनेंट एंड विच ट्रेट वेर रिसेसिव. फॉर वन कैरेक्टर टू ट्रेट. रिमेंबर, वन कैरेक्टर टू ट्रेट, बिकॉज कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग है ना. क्या मतलब समझा नहीं मेरे को. ओके, वन कैरेक्टर टू ट्रेट. तो एक कैरेक्टर लिया सीड शेप. ये वाले जितने हैं ना, ये जितने हैं वो कैसे है? डोमिनेंट है. इधर वाले जितने हैं वो कैसे है? डोमिनेंट है. ऊपर वाला क्या है? सारा डोमिनेंट है. एंड द वन विच यू आर सीइंग डाउन, व्हाट इज दैट? दे ऑल आर रिसेसिव. रिसेसिव का मतलब दे ऑल विल गेट एक्सप्रेस्ड जब वो दोनों स्मॉल लेटर में होंगे. जब दोनों ही स्मॉल लेटर में होंगे. यहाँ पे बोथ स्मॉल लेटर, only then this trait will be expressed. Recessive. But dominant में क्या है? Dominant में both capital और one capital and one small. In that case also, हाँ, heterozygous. Yes. आप समझ गए हो, right? One capital and one small. That means which condition? Heterozygous condition. So homozygous both capital and heterozygous one small and one capital. In both the conditions, you will get these things. समझे? So seed color yellow dominant है, green is recessive. Pod inflated and constricted. Inflated means what? You will not be able to see this. Remember that green pea, the nice green pea which tastes very good. The green peas, they will not have constriction. The older one, not very fresh, or you have left that in the plant for so long, they start getting constriction. है ना? Like this. So this is recessive. Inflated means completely swollen. Pod color, green, fresh one, dominant. Yellow, not fresh, recessive. Got it? Similarly, flower color, purple, white. Flower location, axial and terminal. What do you mean by axial? At the axis of the branch you will have it. है ना? Branches. What do you mean by terminal? At the terminal part of the plant. If you get that, it is terminal. Any doubt is there? Let me know. This was Mendel's work. हाँ, Fiza, that's right. This was Mendel's work. Got it? Any doubt is there to anyone? Let me know. Otherwise, no doubt, it is clear. Pod shape is not clear. कभी भी खाया है, pea खाया है कभी? एकदम fresh pea. The fresh pea will be, continuous, एकदम solid. It will not have constriction. It will not have gap. And the one which is not fresh, very old, you will see it gets shrinked. right? Shrinkage will take place and you can see ki where exactly P is present. है ना? You can get that view from the outside. Oh, here P is present. Like here P is present, here P is present, here P is present. But here you can't see na where exactly P is present. You can't feel it from outside. Okay? Yes? Huh. Yes, they have marginal placentation. Example of marginal placentation. And with that note, let me tell you this. आपका major test होगा. ठीक है? 16th of August को you will have your major test. समझे? मैं यहाँ लिख देती हूँ. हाँ. This is all for today's class. Now we are going to do some questions on Kahoot. ठीक है? एक announcement कर देती हूँ regarding your ये टेस्ट, मेजर टेस्ट. ठीक है? All right. So this is going to be held on 16th of August. All right. And you know the portions, right? It will consist of class 11 portion. Class 11, you will get 45 questions from class 11th portion. Okay. And after that, you will, which chapter test you did not write? Strategies you did not write, right? All the chapter, first four chapters and human health. Matlab, together it is 5 chapters, right? From this, you will get 15 questions. All right. You will get 15 questions. तो कितना बच गया? 30 remaining ना? I think strategies you did not write ना? हाँ, तो strategies वहां से you will have 30 questions. ठीक है? This is the paper you are gonna have on 16th of August. No genetics will be there. Don't worry, genetics बहुत लंबा जाने वाला है. Genetics अभी हमने start करा है. ठीक है? Genetics is very interesting. अभी तो हम बस story पढ़ रहे हैं genetics का. When it comes to finding out so many things now, it will be very interesting. It takes time. ठीक है? हाँ, Veer is saying कि one day before you will give us independence. On 15th of August, you will get the independence. And next day you will, like next day I will be taking back your independence. I am not going to do it, okay? There are people above me and they have decided the date. मेरे को तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप कोई एग्जाम मत दो. I don't have any issues. मस्त एंजॉय करो. हाँ चेतन, ठीक है चलो. So that is that. अभी सबको पता है ना काहूट पे एंटर कैसे करना है? देखो, जिससे भी नहीं हो पाए, those who are not able to, you know, join Kahoot, what will you be doing? आप मेरे को चैट पे आंसर कर देना. You can answer me on the chat. ठीक है? So kahoot.it. Enter kahoot.it on the Google Chrome. हाँ अन्वेश, आपकी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है. काहूट. ठीक है? kahoot.it टाइप करो. टाइप काहूट. अच्छा, आप मुंबई से हो क्या? ठीक है. मुंबई में तो फ्लड्स आ चुका है बहुत भयंकर वाला, है ना? Yesterday I was seeing the news. पिन कोड बता रही हूँ. रुक जाओ. एकदम बताती हूँ फटाफट. अवंती गुरुकुल. हाँ. Oh my God, I can totally imagine it, अन्वेश. हो सकता है, बिल्कुल हो सकता है. मैं तो कभी कभी अपना ऐसे पता है अपना कार भी देखने जाती हूँ, मेरा कार को भी तो कुछ नहीं हो गया. तो ये तो पक्का हो सकता है. What you are saying now. कौन से क्लास में हो, जल्दी बताओ. क्लास 12 में हो ना? कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ रहे हो? बायो पढ़ रहे हो? कौन सा चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हो? प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस पढ़ रहे हो? क्वेश्चंस करते हैं आप, किस पे क्वेश्चंस करोगे? हाँ, मिल गया मिल गया मिल गया, चलो देखते हैं आपको कॉन्सेप्ट कितना क्लियर हुआ है, ठीक है? हाउ मच योर कॉन्सेप्ट हैज बिकम क्लियर। जल्दी से स्टार्ट प्लेइंग। बहुत टाइम लगता है इस काहूट में, टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू गेटिंग द सेटअप डन, है ना? कैन यू सी द पिन कोड ऑन द स्क्रीन? देयर इज अ पिन कोड नाउ। वो पिन कोड को डालो आप, एंटर दैट पिन कोड। दिख रहा है क्या? किसको किसको दिख रहा है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू कैन सी? मेरे को भी नहीं दिख रहा, मुझे भी नहीं दिख रहा मुझे भी नहीं दिख रहा, आपको कैसे दिखेगा? 1 सेकेंड, वो हो रहा है, आ गया, अभी आ गया। 872330। इसमें बहुत सारे मेरे लकी नंबर हैं। 872330। 87, अभिषेक, बहुत सारे लोग ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं। 872330। क्या कौन सा है हरी? लकी नंबर 3 है ना? 30। 3 इज माई लकी नंबर। 872330। आई एम माई फेवरेट, राइट? तो सब कुछ रिलेटेड टू मी इज माई फेवरेट। अब इस आवाज को खत्म करो, कान खराब हो जाएगा वरना। हाँ, यस हरी, बढ़िया। सब लोग ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं? जो ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाते हो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मेरे को जल्दी जल्दी चैट पे आंसर दे देना, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे हम। हाँ सृष्टि, आपका भी लकी नंबर 3 है क्या? बढ़िया। आपको ऑप्शंस देखने के लिए यू नीड टू गो बैक टू जूम, समझते हो ना? आपको ऑप्शंस नहीं दिखेंगे तो आप ये वाले पे क्लिक करना और ऐसे जूम वाले पे जाना। जूम वाले पेज पे जाओगे तो आपको दिखेगा ऑप्शंस। ऑप्शन देख के यू हैव टू कम बैक टू काहूट एंड देन वहां पे यू कैन क्लिक ऑन द आंसर। दिस इज हाउ वी प्ले काहूट। यू नो इट, आई नो यू आर स्मार्टर देन मी, बट ठीक है, मेरा काम है बताना, तो आई हैव स्प्लिट कर लिया स्क्रीन अभिलाष ने, है ना? तो जिनके पास ये फैसिलिटी है वो कर सकते हैं, जिनके पास ये फैसिलिटी नहीं है, आपको यू हैव टू कम बैक टू जूम टू सी द ऑप्शंस। उसके बाद यू नीड टू कम बैक टू काहूट टू गो फॉर द आंसर, टू क्लिक ऑन द आंसर। फेक नेम से ज्वाइन हुए हैं मैम, रिमूव देम। कौन है फेक नेम? कोई बात नहीं, जिसको जो पसंद है, ठीक है? आपका फेवरेट एक्टर, बॉट, पबजी लोग भी यहाँ पे है, बॉट 31, कोई इश्यूज नहीं है, ठीक है? बस मेक श्योर दैट आप कोई गंदा नाम नहीं ले रहे हो, ठीक है? अदरवाइज इट इज फाइन, है ना? इतना तो रखोगे ना डिसेंसी अपने में, राइट? यस, चलो लेट अस बिगिन देन। 121 ऑफ यू हैव जॉइंड। स्टार्ट कर दूं? स्टार्ट करूं? जिनसे भी नहीं हो पाया आप मेरे को चैट पे आंसर करना, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है। आई एम स्टार्टिंग इट, ओके? स्टार्ट करूं? स्टार्टिंग। हाँ, यू कैन आंसर ऑन चैट, ठीक है? मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज कि आपको क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आने चाहिए। दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट फ्रॉम माय हार्ट, ठीक है? आप थोड़ा टाइम में ले लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन सही आंसर करना। एन अलील इज, ये अलील क्या है? अलील क्या है? व्हाट इज एन अलील? ऑप्शन देखने के लिए गो टू जूम, वहां पे ऑप्शंस दिखेंगे। यस, श्री लक्ष्मी, हरी, दे हैव आंसर्ड। चंद्रकला, चंद्रकला सोचो फिर से। इज इट डन? 105 लोगों ने आंसर करा है। जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है, जल्दी जल्दी करो, मेक इट फास्ट, फटाफट, क्विक क्विक क्विक। बहुत सारा टाइम लग रहा है, and this is something which I don't like. इतना सारा टाइम नहीं. वाह 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 वाह, क्या बात है. 51 लोगों ने गलत आंसर करा है and 46 लोगों ने सही किया है. 46 of you have gone for the right answer. That is very great. And you know what is very great? More than 46, which is 51 of you have gone for the wrong answer. भाई कितनी बार बताया? How many times I have told you? Allele is different form of gene. It can never be another word for a gene. ये कैसे गलती कर देते हो? कैसे ये another word for a gene है? I'll start crying literally and telling you. ऐसे मत करो, थोड़ा टाइम लेके रिवाइज करो. नहीं समझता है मेरे को कॉल करो, मैसेज करो, मैम मुझे नहीं समझा. And it is only for this particular batch. You can, cross verify with other batches. I never tell it to any other batch. Since you are in 12th standard, I don't want your career to, go in dark. कुछ नहीं समझता, आप मेरे को मैसेज करो कि ये नहीं समझा. I will send you the voice note. आप उससे समझने की कोशिश करो. खुद से थोड़ा मेहनत करो. You should put the efforts. मैं कितना भी चीखूं, जब तक आप ये यूज नहीं करोगे ना, it is very difficult. Genetics में बहुत difficult है. ठीक है? You can see who answered it first. Hey, Parinita has answered it first. Chetan is on second. Aaron, AJ and Aishwarya, they are holding third, fourth and fifth. Next question. Make it fast. So, answer it very quick. ठीक है? So that I can skip and go to the next question. Question है, Mendel was, क्या थे Mendel? Zoom पे आपको ऑप्शंस दिखेंगे. इंग्लिश साइंटिस्ट थे जो डार्विन के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट किए. He was a monk. He was a biologist who carried out genetics research in 20th century. None. सोच के आंसर देना मुझे. क्या 20th century में उन्होंने काम किया था? और क्या वो डच DUTCH वो वाले बायोलॉजिस्ट है? सोच के आंसर देना लक्ष्मी. सबने आंसर दे दिया? जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. मेक इट फास्ट. मेक इट फास्ट. अरे भाई अभी तो बताया. Was he doing the work in the 20th century? क्या आंसर है? What is the answer? कितने लोगों ने सही करा है? 41 of you have gone for the right answer. He was a Central European monk. ठीक है? Yes. तो monk क्यों थे? Find that out. ठीक है? नहीं भी find out नहीं भी करोगे find out, that is also fine. No need to find it out कि वो monk क्यों थे, क्या करा, इतना research नहीं करना है. Okay? हाँ. Yes. All okay. Only eight of you are correct. Yes, Shreya. That's right. And that is very bad. I don't want to share this result to anyone. Pranita is again Muktamani. Who is this Muktamani? Who is this Muktamani? Is he our student? हाँ क्या? उसका bio तो है ही नहीं. नहीं. He has bio also, right? Yes, Muktamani. How are you, Muktamani? After so long. Which is the functional unit of inheritance? अभी गलत करो, सबको पड़ेगी. Functional unit of inheritance. You're fine. Yes, Veer. So Veer has given the answer. He wanted to become a teacher, Mendel, but he failed. So he became a monk. ठीक है? What is the functional unit of inheritance? ये मैंने लाइन बोला है क्लास में. गलत करोगे ना तो सच बोल रही हो, बहुत रोना आएगा मेरे को. हाँ, सबने मेरे को चैट पे तो सही आंसर करा है. Everyone has answered it right on the chat. धनुष कोई बात नहीं, मेरे को पता है काहूट ऐसा ही है, इसीलिए मैं बोलती हूँ कि मेरे को चैट पे आंसर कर दो. आई नो देर आर सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स इन प्लेइंग दिस काहूट. पर्सनली मेरे को इसलिए पसंद नहीं है, आप लोग इतना बोलते हो तो आई जस्ट प्ले इट. ठीक है, आई एम स्किपिंग इट नाउ. 86 of you, chalo, I am little happy. 86 of you have gone for the right answer. I know, Anushri, that is what is Kahoot, है ना? I know, I don't know why people are promoting this a lot. मतलब खुद पे इतना भरोसा नहीं है क्या हमें कि मैं जो पढ़ रहा हूँ वो सही पढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं कम टाइम में ज्यादा क्वेश्चन करूँ. No one wants this, है ना? No one wants this. सबको को चाहिए कि कैसे हम टाइम को किल करें, how we should kill our time. So if you want it, I am here to do it. Whatever you want, I'll be doing it, right? Chalo, Pranita is again on top. That is something which makes me happy now. Muktamani is on second, Basavaraj third, Ayushi on fourth, and Ashwarya is on fifth. Go for the next question. Phenotype refers to dash of an individual. Phenotype refers to what? Phenotype refers to, yes, I have the correct answer on the chat. Yes, Prakriti, Diya, Hari, everyone is right. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. No need to take a lot of time. Atharv is saying blue. Yes. Yes, Chandrikala, Dhanush, Sanjana, Veer, everyone is right. Kishore is right. That is awesome. Now I am gonna close this. Everyone, make it quick. We can't give so much of time, for these small questions. In this much time, we can do a lot of questions, Previous year question bank, we could do so many questions in less time, and that will be more fruitful. Right? Let me. So many of you have gone for right answer this time. Happy? Yes. And no one is going to beat Parinita today. She is again on top. That is amazing. Which question, Anushri? Which questions you are talking about? Alleles are located on the. Alleles are located. Sochna, think and then answer. Alleles are located on the. Yes, Anushri, I have uploaded. Boards wale part mein jao. Go to the boards subfolder. There you will get it. Jaldi batao. Where are they located? Hari is right. Suraj is right. Prakriti is right. Meghna, you are wrong. Naren. Uff. ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, अच्छी बात है. That's nice. Kishore is right. Dhanush is right. Tejas is right. भाई कितनी बार बोला है? How many times I have said that allele of the genes are located on the same locus of the homologous chromosome. वो same जगह है. That is the same place, same locus. We have learnt it or not? It is present on the same locus of the homologous chromosome. समझे? और नहीं समझे हो तो you need to contact me. Okay, you need to contact me. Yes. So Parinta is again on rank 1. AJ has replaced Muktamani this time. Ashwarya is on third. AJ is Ankita kya? Oh my god, DJ. Our DJ is here. Suraj and then Chetan. ठीक है, चलो. This is the last question of the day. Locus is the. क्या है locus? क्या locus है बताओ जल्दी से. Locus क्या है? Where? What is locus? What is locus? धनुष एक बार फिर से सोचो. Yes, Hari is completely right. बाकी जितनों ने आंसर दिया है गलत है. संजना is right. Vishwas is right. Prakriti is right. Yes, Atharv is right. He has this different way of answering. Nice, Atharv. Kishore is right. Diya is right. Naren, you are wrong. फिर से सोचो एक बार. क्या है? It's a fixed position, right? किसके लिए? For whom? Naren is right. Chandrakala is right. Prajwal is right. Spurti is right. Diya is right. Others, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. 24 of you have gone for the right answer. What is locus? Locus is a fixed position of a gene, right? For one particular gene, there is one locus on a chromosome. Ankita, D कैसे होगा अंकिता? कैसे होगा D प्रीतिश? Fixed position on active gene on chromosome. क्या मतलब है आपका on active gene on chromosome? Is it making sense even? On active gene on chromosome? है ना, वही तो. क्या एक्टिव जीन, क्या क्रोमोसोम, क्या बोल रहा है ये? It should be off, not on. What is active gene? First of all, you know what is locus. Locus is a place where allele of a gene are located on the homologous chromosome. That is all is the locus. Locus is the address. आपका घर एक ही है ना? If I want to go to Ankita's home, Ankita T, ठीक है, 80. So I will have to follow the address. If I follow Pritish address, I will reach Pritish home. I will not reach Ankita's home. Similarly, locus is particular place for a particular gene. Gene को आप मान लो आप हो. You are the gene. You all have address, and that address is locus. And the ghar, the house, is the chromosome. Okay? Yes? Yes. Now we will end this now. Okay? Let's see who is on top. I think Nivedita has bagged the 3rd rank. Aishwarya has bagged the 2nd rank. And we all can guess, right? Tarinita is on the 1st rank. Srishti and Monisha, they are the runner-up. Congratulations, Pranita. Yes. Aishwarya, Nivedita, Srishti. Yes. All right. So that is all for today. Okay. What is happening? What is happening? Now, any doubt is there, you can ask. If there is any doubt, you can ask. If there is any doubt, you can ask. Okay? So tomorrow's class, what are we going to see? No problem, Chetna, no problem. Tomorrow's class, we are going to learn Punnett square, laws of Mendel, Punnett square, laws of Mendel. And if time permits, we will see this dihybrid cross. Mostly time will not be there. So we will learn monohybrid cross, Punnett square, and laws of inheritance in tomorrow's class. All right, thank you so much. You all can go ahead with your further works. All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Yes, Prakriti, you're welcome.